Hey guys, today I will be playing Will You Press the Button, and let's go. So you will live forever, and that is not all. You get a small puppy from Tail in Nepal. Every last thing you ever did say will come out silly and rhyming way. No, I'm good. I don't want to press that. So I will not. So let's see how many did not. Wait. Okay. So I got less. What? That's not fair. I got less. Let's go this next. So you bring a dead loved one back to life, the age they died, and it'll be like they never were gone. You must sacrifice another loved one to do so, and no one will remember them but you. No, I don't want to. I don't. Yes, I win this time. No. To the other. So I don't like when I do this. Come on. Okay. You can be immortal, but you have to be immortal. You have to kill people for each you take. You stop again at. Okay, yeah, no. I hate ads. You would get all the game. Oh no, I won't press the button. I don't know why I won't press the button, but I just will not press the button. No, I will press the button. Actually, oh, I lost. Wait, no, I won. Yeah. Yeah, I win. Yay. So, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye. I will make videos. Bye. So bye.